Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I thought some of you might be interested to know that where I'm standing right here is where I shot my very first uploaded YouTube video. And it was right here. The shore might be a little different because, it was 7 years ago, but I think with the bend in the river and everything, I believe it was right here. I just did an overnighter. We were actually up that way. But as I was driving back, I said, is that the spot where I first filmed? So I pulled right over. And yeah, sure as hell. Sure as shit. Right here. I don't know. I thought you guys might find that interesting. Alright, as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with the channel all these years. Appreciate it. And we'll catch you next.